You are listening and viewing the screencast for Project 1 Bio 1025 Medical Terminology course at the University of Northwestern. Today is February 9th. My name is Ariana Dahmer. My topic for today is cystitis. Cystitis is the inflammation of the urinary bladder and uterus. According to the Mayo Clinic, this is caused by bacterial infections entering the urethra. The next word on my map is the urinary tract infection. A urinary tract infection is any infection of the organs in the urinary tract. Cystitis is a urinary tract infection. According to the Urology Foundation, UTIs affect 10 in 25 women. The Mayo Clinic states that common signs of a UTI include burning sensation when urinating, a strong urge to urinate that won't go away, urinating too often, red urine, and many others. My next word is urethritis. Urethritis is the inflammation of the urethra, resulting in painful urination. And pyelonephritis is the inflammation of the kidney and its pelvis, caused by bacterial infection. Like cystitis, urethritis and pyelonephritis are urinary tract infections. The next word I have is an inflammatory disease. Inflammatory diseases are characterized by inflammation, and cystitis is an inflammatory disease. The next word on my map is gastroenteritis, stomach fluid, and intestinal fluid. These are inflammations of the stomach and intestines. These can be caused by salmonella. Like cystitis, these are inflammatory diseases. My next word is disease. Diseases are the impairment of health or a condition of abnormal functioning. Cystitis is a disease. Pleurisy. Pleurisy is the inflammation of the pleura of the lung. Pleurisy is another inflammatory disease. Acne, again, is an inflammatory disease involving the sebaceous glands of the skin, characterized by papules or pustules or comedones. Sore throat, pharyngitis, or raw throat is the inflammation of the fauces and pharynx, again, is an inflammatory disease. Arthritis is another inflammatory disease of joints or joints. Ampemia is a collection of pus in a body cavity. Necrotizing enterocolitis, or NEC, is an acute inflammatory disease occurring in the intestines of premature infants. Necrosis of intestinal tissue may follow this disease. Pelvic inflammatory disease, more commonly known as PID, is the inflammation of the female pelvic organs caused by infection of several microorganisms. Symptoms are abdominal pain, fever, and foul-smelling vaginal discharge. Angina is any disease of the throat or fauces marked by spasmodic attacks or irregular bursts of the intensive suffocative pain. Many of these disorders connect back to cystitis for being inflammatory disease. In my own life, I have seen my sister struggle with UTIs, and it can create many difficulties. UTIs can cause bouts of urinary incontinence, which according to the Atlantic urology specialists are called bladder spasms. These can cause adolescents to feel socially outcasted. Awareness around UTIs is very important. Thank you for listening to my voice recording and screencast on the medical term cystitis.